After Maharashtra Congress called Deputy Chief Minister Sunetra Pawar Gungi Gudiya, NCP workers stormed the Maharashtra Congress office in South Mumbai. Several protesters were also then detained by the police. Just take a look at those dramatic visuals that we are getting for you. Let's go across to my colleague Rucha, who's joining us live right now for more on this. Rucha, help us understand what exactly has happened. NCP cadre there staging a protest, storming the Congress party's office there.
Well, yesterday a post was made on Maharashtra Congress's X account where sharing a video of Deputy Chief Minister Sunetra Pawar, the Congress questioned until when will Sunetra Pawar remain silent, calling her Gungi Gudiya in the post. And that is where the people of NCP party, Ajit Pawar's party, got offended. And to ask an apology from Congress party, today while Harshavardhan Sapkal, the Maharashtra president of Congress party, was taking a press conference, the party workers of NCP entered the premises of Tanna House, the Congress office in South Mumbai, and where they started agitating, asking an apology from the Congress party, because Sunetra Pawar, she is the Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra, and she is currently sitting at very senior position, and giving references of how she is not taking the finance ministry back, which Ajit Pawar used to have before Devendra Fadnavis. Several other questions were being asked to Sunetra Pawar, and calling her Gungi Gudiya is where the people of Ajit Pawar's party have been offended. And now the Congress party has reacted, where MLA Vijay Wadettiwar has in fact cross-questioned the NCP that where were you people when the students were agitating, when students were being lathi charged? Why were you not raising the right questions? And calling this a lowest level of politics. Now Vijay Wadettiwar has criticized the NCP party, who is in fact asking an apology, a simple apology for calling her Gungi Gudiya. And taking it to the past, Vijay Wadettiwar also said that Indira Gandhi was also once called Gungi Gudiya, but she did not react in this way. She in fact proved herself, is what Vijay Wadettiwar said.
Right. Stay on with us, Rucha. In fact, before we talk about how other political parties are reacting, let's listen into what exactly Vijay Wadettiwar, viewers, has to say.
और क्या गलत बात गालियां दी, क्या गलत बात हुई? गुंगी गुड़िया बोला तो आप सिद्ध करो। इंदिरा जी को भी बोला था। आप जब ये सब चल रहा है माहौल देश में, युवा रास्ते पर आया था, युवाओं के साथ में बदतमीजी की गई थी, आंसू गैस छोड़े गए थे, गोलियां दागी गई थी, लाठियां चला गई थी, जो बच्चों के साथ में जिस तरह का व्यवहार हुआ, तो क्या बात नहीं की? हम गांधी विचारधारा के लोग हैं, गांधी जी के रास्ते पर लोग हैं, जो सत्ता के भूखे कंगाल है, पीछे दौड़ते हैं, इनको कोई आइडियोलॉजी नहीं है, सत्ता के सिवा जी नहीं सकते।
Let's go back to my colleague Rucha, who continues to be with us at this point in time. Rucha, you know, if certain issues are to be raised, it's fine. It's the opposition's job to do that. But why is it that women politicians are targeted in this manner in this country? Because we've seen this happen in other parts of the country as well. Just look what's happening in Tamil Nadu. To target Vijay, opponents target Trisha for whatever reason. So that's the question here. Will they say the same thing about a male politician? Will they call him Gunga Gudda? No, we never hear such remarks. So are women politicians soft targets? That's the question many are asking. And also, have we heard anything from Sunetra Pawar on this particular controversy?
Well, Sunetra Pawar has not reacted on this so far, but it is important to note that this often happens in our country, that women politicians are specifically targeted. And now, after taking charge of a Deputy Chief Ministry, she was continuously criticized because Ajit Pawar, who her husband used to hold the finance ministry.
Right. Rucha, I'm just interrupting you. There are apologies for that. I'll come back to you in just a bit. Let me quickly go across to Anand Dubey, Sena UBT faction, joining us on the broadcast. Anand Dubey ji, good evening. Thank you very much for speaking with us here on Times Now. सबसे पहले हम आपसे जानना चाहेंगे, क्या आप अग्री करते हैं कांग्रेस पार्टी ने जिस तरह से सुनेत्रा पवार, जो डेप्यूटी चीफ मिनिस्टर है महाराष्ट्र के, उनको एक गूंगी गुड़िया कहा है?
बिल्कुल अग्री नहीं करता हूं, किसी भी कीमत पे नहीं करता हूं। राजनीति में ऐसी बयानबाजी से नेताओं को बचना चाहिए। सुनेत्रा बहन हम सबके लिए आदरणीय है। अजीत दादा अगर आज हमारे बीच में जीवित होते तो शायद कभी सुनेत्रा बहन राजनीति में आती भी नहीं, जबकि वो खुद एक राजनीतिक परिवार से आती है, लेकिन उनका राजनीति में नहीं था उतना कदम, क्योंकि जब अजीत दादा थे तो अजीत दादा अकेले ही काफी थे, राज्य की सेवा करते थे, अपनी पार्टी में काम करते थे। अब अचानक उनका दुखद निधन हुआ, उसके बाद उनको आना पड़ा, तो उनको थोड़ा समय दीजिए ना, वो कोई फुल टाइम नेता तो है नहीं, वो अब धीरे धीरे अपने आगे बढ़ेंगी, करेंगी, उनके बच्चे भी उनका साथ दे रहे हैं और बाकी उनके नेता भी हैं, तो किसी को ऐसा मत कहिए कि कोई गूंगी गुड़िया है, वो एक माता बहन है, महिला है, एक माता बहनों के लिए ऐसे शब्दों का प्रयोग नहीं करना चाहिए।
आपको लगता है कहीं ना कहीं विमेन पॉलिटिशियंस जो होती हैं वो इजी टारगेट्स होती हैं, क्योंकि हमने तो आज तक कभी नहीं सुना किसी मेल पॉलिटिशियन के बारे में उसे टारगेट करने के लिए कहा गया हो ये गूंगा गुड्डा है?
कि मैं बार बार यही कह रहा हूँ कि राजनीति में भाषा की बड़ी मर्यादा होनी चाहिए। प्रधानमंत्री जी ने भी देखिए जेन जी को यही समझाया कि भाई ठीक है, तुमसे गलती हो गई, लेकिन तुम अब सुधरो, अच्छी बात करो, लोगों के बीच में जाओ। और हमारे जो देवी देवता महापुरुषों ने, हमारे आदर्श स्वामी विवेकानंद ने जो हम सबको सिखाया है, उस मार्ग पर सबको चलना चाहिए। तो हमें लगता है कि जिस किसी ने भी ये बोला है या ट्वीट किया है या सोशल, उसको माफी मांग के इस विषय को खत्म कर देना चाहिए और ऐसे विषयों को राजनीति में स्थान नहीं देना चाहिए।
Thank you very much, Mr. Anand Dubey. Appreciate you speaking with us here on Times Now, sharing with us your perspective. With this, we will slip into another very, very short break. Coming back with lots more. Don't go anywhere.